This is a $100 million mega mansion.
I've always wondered how much the biggest YouTubers make from YouTube.
96,000 a month.
So today I'm going to tell you how much they are really making per month. Number 1 is Phidias. He has over 900,000 subscribers, and he's the fastest growing YouTuber in 2023. He spent 2 years working non-stop to earn his first dollar, and now he makes
$30,000 per month.
Tyler Blanchard, he was really broke when he started his YouTube channel. He moved to LA, and he maxed out his credit cards. For an entire year, he lived in LA making videos with Airrack. Still in debt at this point, he started making
nothing too crazy. I think like 40,000.
Wow.
Quebecop, he made his first dollar in 2021, and he made like 40 bucks. He's been on YouTube for 11 years and more. Now he had 15 million subscribers. His best month on earning, I
think I did $1 million once.
Wow.
Yeah, that was very nice.
There, man, he made his first dollar on YouTube in 2020. He was posting videos for 2 years before he made a single cent off it. But everything he did more so, just for the impact.
But it allows us to support, about 200,000 square feet of Burbank studio space, which is not cheap. We've got about 125 employees. We've got multiple brands that we're launching. To all the parents that have said you can't build a real career off YouTube, I think there's a lot of people in this room that are proving that wrong.
Ryan Trahan, as soon as he got monetized, he got like 15 bucks. He freaked out and said that's like 2 hours in Texas in a minimum wage work. At that point, he said this is going to be insane. The most he spent on a video is...
People don't know this, I didn't talk about it in the video, but one of my favorite videos I've ever made was when I went to the world's loneliest house in Iceland.
Yeah,
and that video cost $18,000 just because the trip out there was so expensive.
Yeah. And
to get those guys to be able to take me and have all the resources was a lot, but I really wanted to do it. So that was the most expensive.
In the penny serious, he made $1,400,000 for charity in 30 days. And he have over 11 million subscribers. Eric, he made 300 videos before making any money from YouTube.
I made 7 cents on January 1st of 2020, where I monetized my channel for the first time. It was the most valuable 7 cents I ever made in my entire life. I did this one video where I rented out an entire airplane for me and my friends, but I got scammed the first time and
I was there, by the way.
You were there for that, that's right.
Yeah.
All right, so the first time I lost $30,000, so I just got scammed out of 30K, and then I had to do it again for another 40,000. It's probably $90,000 on that video. I think my best month was probably like 480K off of AdSense.
Wow.
And thank you guys for showing love to my channel. I'll see you in the next one.